Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Venu 3S and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. Before we start, you can pair this watch with the Android phone in two ways. The first way is to do it through the setup process of the watch. So basically if the watch is brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings. And the second way is to do it through the settings after the watch has been already set up, because you can set up the watch without connecting it to a phone. First, I'm gonna show you how to do it through the setup process, and then I'm gonna show you how to do it through the settings. Okay, let's continue. So let's turn on our watch. To do it, press and hold the action button until you see the Garmin logo on the screen. And once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait. After the watch turns on, and it's brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings, you will see the hello message on the screen. You can tap on it, it will open the list of languages. You can scroll through this list by swiping up and down, find the list you want, or rather find the language you would like to use on your watch, my bad. And once you find the language, tap on it to select it. And as you can see now, we're being asked if you want to pair your watch with a phone. We want to do it, so let's tap on the check mark to confirm. And the phone, or rather the watch, will enter the pairing mode. It looks like this. You basically have a QR code. And you can scan this QR code with your phone if you want to download the app quickly, but I'm just gonna use the Play Store to do it. So now, make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled on your phone. Once you do, we're gonna open the App Store, tap on search, and type in Garmin Connect. And then tap on search. And you should see this application on the list, Garmin Connect by Garmin. Tap on the install button to download and install it. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it. After the application opens, you will probably see the login page. You will need to log in into a Garmin Connect account. If you don't have an account, you can tap on the create account button to make a new one and log in the created account. If you have an account, tap on sign in, check the box, tap next, and enter the email and password to log in. Then tap on next. If you see the pop-up about the permission, tap on allow access, tap on allow, and the app should detect your Venu 3S automatically. If it doesn't, press the back button and re-enter the pairing mode by tapping on the check mark, and it should detect it automatically after that. Okay, once the app detects your watch, tap on connected, tap on allow, tap on pair, tap on next. Here we can set up a sleeping schedule. Basically, this is useful if you want to use do not disturb mode during sleep and stuff like that. To do it, tap on edit, and you can set the bedtime by tapping on bedtime, then wake time, like that, and you can select the days on which the schedule should be active. And once you're done, you can tap save, and then you can tap next. Here you can select the preferred wrist. Here you can set the goals if you want to, or you can tap on keep default goals if you don't want to bother with that. If you want to edit the goals, tap on edit, and here you can adjust the values for different goals like steps, floors climbed, fluid consumption, and intensity minutes per week. And then you can tap on next. Here we have the permission for the notification access. If you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch, you need to allow this permission. If you don't care, you can tap on skip and skip this. If you want to use the notifications, tap on allow and tap on allow. Next we have the location permission. This is useful if you want to track your activities on the map. So for example, you went for the run and you want to check your route on the map, you need to allow the location permission for it to work. If you don't care, you can skip this step. I'm gonna just allow it for the sake of the video, so I'm gonna tap on allow, permissions, find the location, tap on it, and tap on allow, and then go back to the app. Next, we have the calendar access. This is useful if you want to see events and manage the events on your calendar with your watch. So if you want to use the calendar on your watch, allow the permission. If you don't care, you can skip it. Next, we have the call log access. This is needed for the phone calls notification. So if somebody calls you on your phone, and the watch will notify you about the call, and this permission is needed to display who is calling you. So if you want to use this feature, allow the permission. If you don't care, skip. Next, we have the phone call access, same stuff, the notifications, and a call management. Next, then we have the SMS messages, also for the notifications, and I believe you can also reply to messages. So if you want to use it, you need to allow the permission. If you don't care, you can skip it. And once you're done with the permissions, you can tap on sync, finish. And here we have a tutorial how to use the watch, and you can go through it by tapping on next button. I'm just gonna tap on skip, then finish. And we can log in, or rather connect to the Wi-Fi network. If you want to connect to the network, tap on add the network, enter the password, or rather select the network and enter the password. If you don't care, you can tap on set up Wi-Fi later to skip this step and do it later if you want. I'm gonna connect to one just for the sake of the video. So add on network, select the network from the list, enter the password. And then tap on next to connect to the network. Like this. Now let's tap next, finish. And at this point, you should see the My Day page of the app. And on the My Day page, you should see your watch right here at the top, which indicates that the devices are paired together. You can tap on this icon to open the device page for your Venu 3S, and here. And at this, like I said, at this point, the devices are connected. And that's how you pair the watch during the setup process. Now I'm gonna show you how to do it through settings. So I'm gonna quickly remove the watch from the app, like that. Tap on settings, remove it from the phone, like this. And now we're gonna close the apps and enter the pairing mode on our watch. To enter the pairing mode on the watch that is already set up, press and hold the back button to open the menu. Select the settings option. In settings, scroll down, find the system and tap on it. Here, find the connectivity and tap on it. Then tap on pair phone. You will enter the pairing mode on the watch. Now we can open the app, tap on more, Garmin devices, and tap on add device. Of course, if you installed the app for the first time, you will just log in and it will start looking for the watches automatically. But if it's already installed, you need to go to Garmin devices and tap on add new device. And once the app detects your watch, tap on connected, allow, and basically go through all steps that we did before. So you need to pair, then tap on next. We can edit the sleeping schedule, select the preferred wrist, and then edit the calls if you want to. Sync now. And finish. Go through tutorial if you want to. Tap on finish. And you can add the Wi-Fi, but I'm just gonna skip it for now. Finish. And as you can see, the watch is paired with our phone. Okay, so that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.